So friends, now I am going to explain you that how to delete an event. In my previous video I have already explained you how to save events, and you already know that in this switcher you can save up to 100 events. Actually there are 10 pages from 0 to 9, and under each page there are 10 memory blocks. It is also 0 to 9. So in each page you can save up to 10 events, and so there are 10 pages, so 10 into 10 up to 100 events can be saved in this switcher. And how to save an event I have already explained in my previous video, but now in this video I am going to explain you that how to delete an event. So for that you have to go in event menu, then event. So menu page will open here. So you can see there are 4 options. One is page, so this is the event menu. Here you can see there are page option, direct option, page clear option. Page option for to see the event saved in this page. Suppose now we are in page number 0, so you can see the memory block. So many events are already saved. In page number 1 you can see there are 2 events are saved in this page number 2, page number 1. In page number 2 you can see no events are saved. So this is for page button, and this is for direct off. Direct means it is used for recalling the saved events. If it is on, then if I want to recall a memory, suppose this one, then it will directly load it. But if it is off, then I want to recall this memory, then it will not load it. You have to press recall for safety purpose. So I think you should keep it off mode always. And the next is the page clear. Page clear means there are 2 options are there. One is current and another is all. If I press all, then event memory of all the pages will be totally blank. And here I would like to say that you cannot delete individual event here. Here you can clear the entire page. It may be the current page or it may be the all pages. So if you want to delete the entire page, suppose page number 0 I want to delete it. So current means only page number 0 event already showing here will be deleted. You can see deleted. But if I choose here all, actually there is no event in page number 0, but if I select all, then all the event memory will be deleted from all the pages. Now you can check page number 1. There are so many events, but right now nobody is present because I have deleted all the pages, all the event. So page clear should be careful during the delete the event. Page clear should be current. If you by mistakenly you have selected the all, then all the event you have save in all pages will be deleted. So be careful. So in this way you can save your events, and so in this way you can delete your events.